Hi, Randy from PartsAuto.com again. We're going to talk about ball joints. If you think you've got a ball joint worn, the best thing to do is to jack your car up, grab it while the wheel is on, and rotate the tire up and down, in and out towards the car. If it moves at all, get your head underneath there and check it out, because it's going to be one of these right here, this ball joint. There's a joint right here that allows the tire to move back and forth. And this joint is held on to the control arm itself. Now this upper control arm with the ball joint is one piece on some cars. Older cars, they're two pieces. The easiest way to change it is one piece. The arm itself with the ball joint, upper or lower, comes out with bolts on each side here and one bolt here. That's right, you're looking at 3 bolts to pull this off and to replace it. We've got them. We got the upper or lower control arms, or control arms with ball joints, or just ball joints without control arms for those older cars. We've got them right here at PartsAuto.com, and you can do it. Check out a couple instructional videos. They'll show you the little ins and outs of the process.
The part you need now? PartsAuto.com.
The part you need.